Okay, hey guys, this is Akaya coming at you. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today I am working on a new project. I actually am fixing up my home salon, and as I'm doing that, I wanted to spruce up some things that I have. This is what I put my earrings on, or if I'm selling jewelry or anything like that. This actually goes on the wall. I am going with a metallic type color now, so I wanted to take that off. I'm actually going to use some the original painter's tape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this blue tape and I'm going to put it all on here because I do not want to get any of this spray painted. The spray paint I'll be using is the Rust-Oleum metallic paint and primer. You guys, anytime you are spray painting or painting anything, make sure you guys use a paint and a primer together. When it comes together, it makes it so much better because you got a nice seal and you don't have to worry about it chipping. What I'm also going to be doing, you guys, is these are the little clippies that I use to be able to close pins. This is what I use to hold the earrings on. They go just like this. And it holds the actual product. What I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to turn this silver too. I already did a DIY on these probably about a year ago. I put diamonds on them, but I wanted to do something cute, and I'm also probably going to add some extra something to these, but for now I'm just going to turn these silver and I'm going to turn this silver. And again, I'll be using this Rust-Oleum. This is for wood. Make sure you read the back of your whatever type of paint you're getting to make sure it's feasible and you can use it for whatever product that you're doing. Because you'll be so amazed though, sometimes we just go quick to go buy a spray paint and it's not even a spray paint that we need. So make sure you do read the back of this, okay? Or whichever one you get. I purchased a drop cloth. I am about to put it all on the ground. Make sure you guys, when you are doing this, try to do it outside. If you're not able to do it outside, do it in the garage. Do it somewhere where it'll ventilate it, and note that spray paint maybe get on something. So make sure you're putting all the precautions down. I'm also using a trash bag, so use whatever it takes so you do not make a mess. This is a drop cloth. You can get all this stuff from Walmart, Michael's, wherever. So let me get this all set up and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so what I did, you guys, I have everything set up. Everything is set up. I got my drop cloth, anything, so I won't make no mess. I put some bug spray on, even though they kind of still eat me, but make sure you put some bug spray because they will be tearing you up while you're trying to do what you do. And then what I also did, you guys, is I put all this painter's tape right in the corners. Make sure you try to make sure you don't put it like too much in the corner because you still want to be able to get these corners. So just check them because I didn't want to get that you know, with paint on it. And this is the painter's tape that I use. It's the blue kind. You'll see it. It's over there in the paint section. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually about to put I'm about to start spray painting. So let's get started. So you wear some ugly clothes that you really don't care about. Not necessarily ugly clothes, but clothes you don't care about. And make sure you have gloves. So here we go. Let's get started. Again, I'll be using the Rust-Oleum spray paint. And there is a oh well, go ahead and get this one. And you're going to let this part get to dry, and then you're going to go in the next day and spray paint the rest of the stuff. Make sure you get all in the crevices and all that. And there is a spray paint gun that I can use. I had one, but I don't know what happened to it. And I was being cheap, and I didn't feel like, not even cheap, but I was being lazy. I looked in Walmart, I couldn't find it, and I ain't go nowhere else to look for it. So just paint those sides. And I'm really liking this spray paint because the last time I did a picture frame, you guys, it was not the type of gray that I wanted. There are so many different type of metallics, grays, whatever your little heart fancy, that's what you get. Get whatever color you like. But just to know, there are so many different colors, so just make sure you really pay attention to it. So there we go, y'all. Let's just make sure we got each even. And like I said, you guys, I'm gonna let this dry. And then later on, you guys, I'm gonna put another coat on it, and then I'm gonna let this dry for a total of about 2 days, just to make sure it's dry. But I think this is like fast drying. I'm gonna see what it say. Just go over it, line per line. And you'll be amazed of sometimes when you have something old, just adding a little spray paint to it looks so good. Make sure you don't do it by nothing because you don't want none of this spray paint to get on anything. Just check the crevices like I'm doing. Make sure you get everything, and you'll be amazed of how just doing this little coat make it look like a whole brand new item. You don't always have to throw things away. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm going to do the other one, but now we're about to start doing the clothespins, okay? Okay guys, now we're about to do the clothespins. And like I said, you'll be amazed with just fixing up, spray painting something. You can do whatever spray paint you like. I could just give a whole new look. And what I'm gonna do guys tomorrow, later on, I'm gonna spray the other side. Look how much better those look by just adding some spray paint. It's crazy, yeah. So don't be so quick to throw out your stuff. Okay guys, let's let that dry. I'm gonna turn her over, those, once they dry. Look at the back of your spray paint, see how long it takes to dry, because every spray paint is different. And then when they dry, I'll come back to you guys with the end results on both. Okay guys, let me know if you done you a DIY and how did you like it and how it came about, okay? Okay guys, time to do the other side. This is gonna be the last part. A lot of people probably wouldn't have done the back, but I'm just one of them OCD type people that has to do both. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. So let's go ahead and get it all stirred up. And I'm also gonna do the other side too, you guys, of those clothespins. Okay, take a stroke. And if you want, you can also wear gloves. I'm sorry, a face mask, so you won't smell it if you want to do that. So it's all up to you on that end. And my can said it dried in 2 hours to the touch. 2 hours, and then 4 hours if you want to be touching it and doing different things with it. But I'm gonna let mine sit for 24 hours. So you just read the back of your spray can and see what it says. Make sure you get all the crevices, all the crannies. And like I told you guys, there is a spray paint gun you can use if you want, but I didn't use it. And that is my DIY. And once it dries, I'm gonna let it dry overnight. I'm gonna take this, let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna do my walk, and then when I come back, I'm gonna actually take this in the house and let it dry in the house, because I don't want to let it dry outside. And I'm gonna let it sit for about 2 days. Even though it says 24 hours, I'm gonna let it sit for about 2 days. The longer you sit, the better. Okay, so we got that back done. Now what I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna turn over these clothespins on the other side and spray those too. And that's it guys, that is the DIY. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you do move around your whatever you paint to make sure it's not sticking to whatever you used. What I did was I just used some aluminum foil and made a little container. That's how I did this right here, if you wonder. I'm just turning them over on the side that I didn't get. Okay, and then I'm just gonna spray these. And that was the DIY. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Please make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And that's it, guys. Just get them nice and sprayed good. And do this outside like I told you guys earlier in the video. It's best around nothing. And there we go, guys. And these already looking beautiful already. Look how cute those look. So if you need some new stuff, you need a little remodeling, you do not have to go purchase all this expensive stuff. Get you some spray paint and get the spray painting. And I'll come back with the end results. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll chat with you guys later. And again, this is the Rust-Oleum Primer Silver Metallic. And this is the top. The silver metallic. And like I told you guys, they come in all kind of colors. Okay? Take care, be blessed, and I love this product. Love it, love it, love it. This is my second time using that brand. Okay? Okay, you guys, I am officially done with my DIY project. Sorry the lighting is so bad in here. And I don't know why, because the lighting is gorgeous, but for some reason it just does not pick up real well on the camera. But it's bright in here. But this is what I did. I added my little bling, if you can see those blings right there. Again, I went to Michael's and got all this stuff. And here is, I put some little sapphire looking things on the I call them clothespins, you know, but they're going to be holding on my earrings. And I also added a little bit of bling to the top. So you guys, if you want to purchase some of these earrings, I most definitely do ship them, because I'm just now getting back into my earrings and things like that. Everybody keep asking me, Kaya, why don't you get your earrings back again? So I'm going to get them back again. So I'm going to show you guys those also, but just wanted to show you my new DIY earring holder. And I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let me go this way so you can see it also. Okay, guys, take care and be blessed.